Humber College Skilled Trades Apprenticeship. Upgrade your skills in carpentry. Programs offered: Carpentry Renovation Technician, Carpentry Renovation Techniques, Building Construction Technician. Canada needs skilled workers. Secure your future in Canada. Why choose Humber? 90% employment rate after graduation. Thousands of job openings in Canada. Secure your future with hands-on training experience. Why choose Kanata? Free consultation with Kanata Education. Zero processing fees required. Personalized guidance. Application assistance. Fast-track your student visa application. Learn more about these programs. Scan the QR code now. Book a free consultation with us. Follow us for updates.